The Horizon CMM breaks new ground in design and innovation using frictionless linear drives, which are the key to its fast and exceptionally smooth motion. The kinematic isolated drive structure is completely independent of the CMM structure and ensures that the motor thrust is directed through the center of gravity of the moving parts. This not only avoids acceleration-induced metrology errors, but also has the effect of thermally isolating the motors from the metrology structure of the CMM. Linear motors are non-contact and therefore have no wearing parts, and thus provide the perfect solution for CMM drives, improving reliability and reducing maintenance. The Horizon is a standout machine with fast, smooth, silent motion, ideally suited to contact scanning, and with a first-term accuracy specification of under 2 microns. The Horizon is supplied with Aberlink 3D, the industry-standard easy-to-use measurement software now in use by over 10,000 users worldwide. With an 800mm x-axis, 600mm z-axis, and y-axis travel available from 1000 to 2000mm, the advanced Horizon CMM completes Aberlink's range of machines. Horizon, starting the linear drive revolution.